up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And today's a exciting episode. We are finally heading over to Andy at Harley Custom Cycles to get started on my FXR twin cam frame. So if you guys don't remember, if you're new to the channel, got a 1987 FXR Sport that we picked up out of St. Louis a lot of months ago. Been teasing you guys with getting started on this bike. There was a video of us kind of stripping it down, all that sort of stuff, and then it's just kind of sat in the corner. So we were heading over to the shop to get started on it. So in today's video, well, first let's talk about what's coming up this weekend. This weekend at Teddy Morris's Cowboy Harley in Austin, Texas, Blockhead Moto and Kruesi Original biker build-off event that they got going on. Justin, myself, Ryan Millhouse, and Jetty Wright will all be caravanning down to South Texas. It's going to be a lot of other YouTubers, a lot of other brands, if you will, and just all around a good time. I definitely encourage you guys to show up, support those guys, support us, support, you know, Teddy Morris's Cowboy Harley. That's where we'll be this weekend. Either way, we're heading to Andy's. We're going to get started on this this FXR project, and what we're going to do is pick the camera up when we get back there and go over some of the parts that we already have and what the angle of attack, if you will, to get a modern twin cam installed into an FXR frame. So stick around, and we'll be back in a sec.
Frame in there. Okay.
Just do the goddamn film and let the real men unload this mother.
Oh,
Is it taping? Can it hear us? Yeah, let the real men unload this mother.
Grab my frame.
This is us unloading the frame from Scott's truck.
I'll get the door for you.
Once you get the door, Scott.
I'll get the door. So what do you want me to start cutting first?
Oh, let's whack this.
We'll go ahead and stretch and
Yeah, heck yeah.
make this thing a big old chopper neck.
Just stretch.
Yeah.
With all this garbage.
And raise it up about.
You see what I was talking about? I only have one provision for. As far as I know, this frame, I still got all original stickers, so I don't assume that it's ever been modified in any way, but it's how it came. It's 87, so it'd be 80 paint, you said? But yeah, I always thought that was odd, so I'm debating, should we just cut this off?
Why are these people talking so awful to Scott?
Who are these mean guys? All right, here we got it. We got the frame in the shop. To show you guys real quick what's going on, this is the Ramjet FXR twin cam kit that they offer. This is pretty much all the pieces that come inside the kit. This is going to be your Dyna style cross member. This is actually going to replace the genuine Harley Davidson FXR cross member. I don't know exactly what the reasoning. I don't know how much clearance problem is. I know a majority of it has to do with the kickstand mount and how the original FXR mid control comes up. I think it will clear this just fine, but with the mid control coming up here and the way that the kickstand's set up, it's just easier and better to get with this. Plus, if I remember correctly, I think these cutouts actually give you room for disconnecting the transmission and the motor. So it comes with that. It's also going to come with a set of Dyna your mid mounts. So these actually go to the side of the frame. Now, the difference in the Dyna and the FXR is actually the distance. So if you look, your Dyna slightly wider than your FXR. You can leave your FXR on this one side and just use an FXR and then use the Dyna on the other side. But you have this, it's easier just to, you know, have everything correct and the same between the two sides. So we're going to cut this part off, remove the entire cross member and get that out of the way. Also, we're going to be replacing this rear cross member because you will now have your oil pan down here at the bottom of the transmission case. So you actually have this bolt-in that they offer. These tabs will get welded to the frame, and this is your bolt-in, pretty thick, you know, maybe 1/4 inch or so, a little less. Steel, this will get welded in as a cross member that you can bolt in and out if you have to remove the oil pan. And then this bar is kind of another cross member. It's more permanent. Since the other one can bolt in and out, this one will actually stay in place. And it also acts as a guard for your oil pan. So it's going to protect the oil pan. It just gives it a little bit of extra kind of frame back there. It's got some little gussets. You saw this on Hudson's bike. Andy will actually make his own gussets. He did it a little different, looked a little better than what comes in the kit, but you can use these. They'll just go from the frame to this round bar. And then it also comes with a new brake master cylinder tab, so you're not using the stock FXR tab. You can use something off a more modern, I think Bagger, Softail, something along those lines. But we are actually going to be using this off a sport bike. So if you guys, I saw it on the tour. I know the Speed Merchant FXR twin cam bikes, as well as Donnie out of Oklahoma, had something more along the lines of this. So we'll do a pair of tabs, and this will just get kind of bolted and welded to the side of the frame. It's black, so you don't notice it as much. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do with the reservoir and all that at that time. So I think what we're going to do first is we're going to start figuring out where to cut and get this thing ready as much as we can today. And then Andy over the next few weeks will probably, you know, tidy up things, because like I was saying before, he'll actually go in here and add some material, TIG in a little bit of metal here and here, and then kind of metal work this. Because one thing with powder coats, you cannot Bondo this. He's actually going to go in there, fill all that stuff out, make it all nice and smooth so it looks better. And then also with the tab, my frame, for whatever reason, this Sport only came with one Farron mount. I don't think I'm ever going to run a Farron on this bike, so we might just cut that off, smooth it, and then just clean up some of the other little weld splatter and stuff that's on the bike. Oh yeah, also firewall. We're going to be installing a firewall, so we'll have to cut this tab off. Probably cut this tab off inside. We'll get it up on the table here in a second, and then we'll mark some stuff to cut off and go from there. How's it going, Josh?
It's going.
How's the FXR?
FXR is amazing. It's peachy.
Hey, Scotty. You're not doing shit to your frame.
Hey, I started and Andy took it away from me. I tried.
He's smart.
He's smart.
He's like,
He knew it'd be more work to fix what I mess up.
So we had to do
Did
welding
Scotty
and patching.
bring you cigarettes, flap disc, cut off wheels?
bag of
any of
ice.
No, I brought him Chick-fil-A.
Oh,
Brought him-
that? Did he give you a little...
little sucky sucky.
He's take his teeth out?
Where you heading to?
Southern Tail place I've never been.
Right now?
I mean, in the next 30 minutes or something.
I'd love to go, but I got work to do, guys.
Oh, do you? You gotta hold that camera.
Your lady meet me up there?
No?
No? I'm gonna go to your house.
Really? Ain't nobody gonna be there.
Maybe.
No.
That's what she told you.
I mean,
Hey, Gummy, those come in singles?
You want one? I'm going up
Are
there.
you getting
I
one?
would love one.
What is he drinking?
Whatever you're getting.
The Kurs, the Kurs. No, this is the that yellow 87. You only saw it. I only rode it up here like once or twice. No, I'm not cutting up the blue bike. Blue bike's too nice. Yeah, I know. The blue bike's staying the way it is.
The peach one and done it.
Let's not talk about the peach bike. Oh, cut it up? The peach one?
Yeah.
Oh, no, no.
That'd be cool.
If Justin owned it, he'd cut it up.
Won that color.
Yeah, if Justin owned it, he'd cut it up for sure. Just for spite.
And you turn and look.
There's a teacher right there.
They're like,
So 3/4, let me measure it. It needs to be at 3 3/4. Bring it up some. A little bit more. Oh, right there. That's where the top needs to be.
If I wasn't working, I'd go to the hall
Same over there.
and sign in, listen to
still
the
close?
job or not, you know, go. If the job, go. If I didn't,
your buddy may have to make side covers because they may have to be different.
how else could
Think so?
Could be. Because the
Oh.
wedge is different. They're backwards.
probably?
So we can go ahead and hack this off. This can come off. Cleaned up.
You put the twin cam in there.
Yeah, twin cam it.
Here,
You said quiet. Bob's like, my turn.
Here we go. Camera's on. Bob's starting to talk.
shut the f up like a duck now.
All right. I think we're pretty much.
20 minutes.
Oh, here we go. Let's try this again. And action. All right.
All right, here we go.
So real quick, we got the cross member, the old FXR cross member out of the bike. We also got the little tab for your oil bag off. The reservoir here for the, yeah, we did it.
Lazy motherfuckers, that's all you did all day was get that cross member out here.
It's been a long day, a short day. It's only been 30 minutes. In 30 minutes time,
All
but
I'm
we-
seeing them do is grind on the same.
but we did get the reservoir mount off as well. So I'm gonna leave this frame here with Andy. Andy's gonna, like I said, he's gonna smooth these pieces out. It's gonna be quite a bit more work. I'm gonna try to swing by periodically, but as far as this video goes, this is kind of just a quick little update. Show you guys what exactly we're doing. And then we got a little something special happening on the other side, as you saw us mocking up.
Hey,
Yeah,
Adios.
be safe. Boop.
where you going?
Home.
He's going home.
Don't get up the goddamn oxygen and all
You
that
gotta
I got to
fucking
work.
time ready for it.
Hey, glad you said you
shit.
get.
Hey, me too.
You know?
Hey, find that title.
Tell your Wi-Fi.
Still my Wi-Fi?
Tell your Wi-Fi or wife
Tell your
hi.
Wi-Fi said hi.
Oh!
Wi-Fi.
All together.
Tell your Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi means. Your Wi-Fi.
Tell your Wi-Fi.
All right.
So maybe I'll get to finish this video. This is just a quick update. Like I said, got the cross member out. You saw Andy was actually filing on the bars here. He prefers doing that. It doesn't, like you can see where we cut the brake reservoir, or not the brake reservoir, but the actual master cylinder bracket off. You know, he leaves it high spot and then he likes to file it down to smooth it. We still got to massage this one a little bit more, but it just keeps the tube true. And when you go to powder coat and everything, it just looks a lot better. So either way, that's a quick update on this. Like I told you guys earlier in the video, you'll see us down in Austin. We'll be down at Teddy Morse's Cowboy Harley this weekend. Definitely show up and say hi. Hopefully the next time you see this bike, it's gonna be a few pieces welded in, maybe a motor, transmission mocked up in there. We'll see, but either way, y'all take care. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.